Introducing ForgeFast Elite, the ultimate solution for your woodworking projects. This high-quality drive is universally accepted with a POSI-compatible design ensuring easy and precise fastening. With 6 underhead lobes, it offers improved countersinking and less surface dust. Its anti-friction thread reduces timber splitting, jacking, and spinning, while the anti-corrosive metal finish guarantees durability. Salt spray tested for 400, ForgeFast Elite is built to last. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Fanchon bike screws, the perfect upgrade for your bicycle. This set includes 12 beautifully finished stainless steel screws in 6 vibrant colors designed to fit most bikes. Easy to install with a 4mm Allen wrench, they ensure a secure, stable connection. Crafted for durability, these high-quality screws resist rust and wear, keeping your bike in top shape. Whether for mountain, road, or race bikes, they're an essential accessory for every cycling enthusiast. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover AKU Screws, the versatile and reliable metric socket cap head screws designed for your toughest projects. Featuring an internal socket drive compatible with a hex key, these fasteners are ideal for precise, secure fitting. Made from a wide range of durable materials, including stainless steel, aluminium, and titanium, they meet strict industry standards and certifications. Whether for engineering, design, or innovation, AKU Screws, quality you can trust. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the EGS Screws, the perfect choice for your fastening needs. With 100 durable and corrosion-resistant carbon steel screws, these socket head cap screws feature an inner hex drive and dome head design, delivering high torque and strong clamping force. Ideal for cars, bicycles, communication devices, and ship assembly, they are built to last and perform. Easy to install with a hex wrench, they ensure a secure fit every time. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for reliable and durable screws for your project? Check out the EGS Screws. These 100 pieces of stainless steel button head socket screws feature a special whitewashed finish for extra strength and corrosion resistance. Their inner hex design allows for high torque and tight clamping, making them perfect for cars, bicycles, communication gadgets, and shipbuilding. They're easy to install with a hex wrench. These screws offer long-lasting performance and versatility. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Upgrade your bicycle with the C&Coil rotor bolts, the perfect choice for your disc brake rotors. Made from high-quality steel alloy, these 12 bolts are strong, resistant, and corrosion-proof. With a bright electrophoresis surface, they come in 6 vibrant colors: black, red, blue, green, orange, and gold. Designed to prevent loosening, they ensure a secure ride every time. Whether you have a 140, 160, 180, or 203mm disc, these bolts fit perfectly. You will find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing ForgeFast wood screws, the ultimate choice for your woodworking projects. Designed for elite performance, these multi-purpose wood screws feature a special Elementec 400 surface coating that resists corrosion, ensuring durability. Their deep torques compatible head minimizes cam out and allows for higher torque, giving you a stronger, more secure fix. With a patented drill and drive shank, these screws drive faster, reduce timber splitting, provide a firmer hold. Plus, they flex up to 35 degrees, making them perfect for flexible substrates. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.